Hello and welcome. You've clicked on the right video. If you want a simple and clear explanation of Deepseek R1, you're in the perfect place. Imagine an AI model so advanced it challenges what we thought was possible. Deepseek R1 isn't just another AI, it's pushing boundaries, and most people don't fully realize what makes it different. What makes Deepseek R1 unique? How does it work compared to other AI models? And most importantly, what does this mean for the future of AI? Imagine a world where machines not only understand our questions but also grasp the deeper meaning behind them, enabling more intuitive and effective communication. Deepseek R1 is designed to do just that, making it a powerful tool for enhancing human-machine interaction. This AI system can analyze complex data, understand natural language, and communicate with us in a way that feels almost human. Imagine AI collaborating with us, learning from our experiences, and constantly improving its capabilities to better serve our needs. Traditional AI often struggles with complex reasoning. It might excel at specific tasks but falters when faced with nuanced questions requiring multi-step thinking. This is where Deepseek R1 truly shines. Deepseek R1 utilizes a revolutionary approach called chain-of-thought reasoning, allowing it to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach, combined with reinforcement learning and model distillation, empowers Deepseek R1 to learn and adapt like never before. Imagine solving a puzzle. You start by examining the pieces, looking for edges and corners, and then gradually work your way inwards. Each piece you place brings you closer to the complete picture. You don't jump to the solution immediately. You analyze the pieces, consider different approaches, and sometimes even take a step back to reassess your strategy. This methodical process is crucial. Each step builds upon the previous one, creating a chain of thought that leads you to the final answer. This step-by-step approach ensures that you understand how each piece fits into the larger picture. This is the essence of chain-of-thought reasoning. It's a way of thinking that breaks down complex problems into manageable parts, allowing you to tackle each part systematically. Deepseek R1 replicates this human-like thinking process. It doesn't just provide an answer, it takes you through the reasoning steps it used to arrive at that answer. Instead of producing a single output, it generates a series of intermediate reasoning steps, just like we do. This makes the process transparent and easier to follow. This allows Deepseek R1 to tackle complex questions with remarkable accuracy. By breaking down the problem, it can address each component effectively, leading to a more reliable solution. Moreover, it provides clear, understandable explanations for its answers. This not only helps in verifying the solution but also in learning and understanding the problem-solving process itself. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bicycle. At first, the child is unsure and wobbly, needing the steady hand of a parent to guide them. The parent provides not just physical support but also words of encouragement, helping the child to build confidence. Over time, the child starts to get the hang of it, making fewer mistakes and riding more smoothly. You provide guidance, encouragement, and most importantly, let them learn from their mistakes. Each fall and wobble is a learning opportunity. The child learns to balance, steer, and pedal through trial and error, gradually improving with each attempt. The parent's role is crucial but gradually diminishes as the child becomes more proficient. This is the principle behind reinforcement learning. Just like the child learning to ride a bike, an AI system learns by doing. It tries different actions, receives feedback, and uses this feedback to make better decisions in the future. The process is iterative and continuous, allowing the AI to refine its skills over time. Deepseek R1 learns by interacting with its environment. It doesn't just follow pre-programmed instructions, it explores, experiments, and learns from the outcomes of its actions. This interaction is crucial for the AI to understand the complexities of its tasks and environment. It receives feedback on its actions, and uses this feedback to improve its performance over time. The feedback can be positive, reinforcing good actions, or negative, discouraging poor actions. This feedback loop is essential for the AI to learn and adapt. This continuous learning process allows Deepseek R1 to adapt to new situations and become increasingly proficient in its tasks. Just like the child who eventually masters riding a bike, Deepseek R1 becomes more capable and efficient, ready to tackle new challenges with confidence. Imagine a master craftsman sharing their knowledge with an apprentice. The apprentice observes, learns, and eventually masters the craft themselves. This is similar to model distillation. Deepseek R1 benefits from the knowledge of larger, more complex AI models. Through a process called model distillation, Deepseek R1 learns from the expertise of these larger models, inheriting their knowledge and capabilities while remaining computationally efficient and accessible. Deepseek R1 is not just another AI system, it is a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. Its ability to reason, learn and adapt opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine Deepseek R1 assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy, personalizing education for every student, or accelerating scientific breakthroughs by analyzing vast amounts of data. The potential applications of Deepseek R1 are limitless. Deepseek R1 marks a pivotal moment in the AI revolution. Its human-like reasoning, continuous learning and knowledge-sharing capabilities pave the way for a future where AI empowers us in unprecedented ways. This is just the beginning. Join us in exploring the fascinating world of Deepseek R1. Leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below, and let's delve deeper into the future of artificial intelligence together. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Deepseek R1. Please like and share the video, and please do not forget to subscribe for more videos.